So let's talk about why the overall crypto market is down. You're looking around on YouTube trying to figure this stuff out. I appreciate you taking the time to stop by for this video. I'm going to make it really short, really sweet for you. The overall market is down. You can see right now 2.15% at down 3%, Bitcoin down to 46,000, Ethereum down 3,800, dropping 2% respectively. Actually, they've come back a little bit from their lows. Here's why the crypto market is down. Okay, there's like a list, all right? So number one, you have COVID always out there kind of looming in the background. Delta variant, Omicron variant, all of that stuff is dragging down on people and the perceptions of the world around them, and it's scaring them. You got people still losing their jobs. You got entire industries that have been impacted, things of that nature. But that's not even the biggest one. That's like, like fifth or sixth back there. Okay, overall here in the United States, you've got we've got inflation kicking in. By the way, guys, our inflation is at its all-time high. Our inflation here in the United States has not been this high since 40 years ago. 40 years ago. So you have inflation really, really high. Inflation being high means at the end of the day, things are costing more money. Costs are rising. Okay, so you have the fear of the cost of rising. This is, by the way, impacting mostly retail investors. Millions of us, you and I, we are retail investors. Some of these things are global as well. Costs for global have gone up. You have supply chain issues, all of those things kind of being impacted with COVID, massive supply chain issues that have been impacted. And so you have overall rising costs. People have less money to put money into crypto. All right, so you have that. Again, discretionary income, things of that nature. Beyond that, you have social confidence at its all-time low because of fears of regulation. There's an article that came out the other day talking about Russia maybe looking to outlaw crypto. You know why they're looking to outlaw crypto? Look at the countries that have outlawed cryptos. It's about control. Crypto is decentralized. It does not give anyone really any control at the end of the day. So that's a overall state of the union. There are other things. You have a ton of Bitcoin that's been dropped over into the Asian markets, things of that nature. Okay, but by the way, the smart money is usually buying when things are in the red. I'm just going to tell you that straight up. But if you look at Bitcoin, we covered, Ethereum, we covered, Solana down 6.5%. Good buy at these levels. Still up 7% overall in the last 7 days. Cardano down 4%. XRP and Terra are really the only two that are in the kind of the nice green, if you will, in the top 10. Avalanche down 5. Polkadot, love these two, by the way. Dogecoin down 4. Shiba Inu down 8. The number one, in my opinion, Shiba Inu is definitely the number one community token out there. Yes, I know Dogecoin has a bigger market cap, but I think Shiba Inu is way more active, things of that nature, and it's a really good. If you're looking for a good leader, a good way to kind of gauge social sentiment, look at tokens like Shiba Inu, because it being a community coin, a community token, it's a really good barometer of social confidence, which, by the way, is at its all-time low right here, right now. Okay, Crocoin down 7%. Nothing has happened to change the outlook or what's going on with Crypto.com coin, with Crocoin. It hasn't happened, right? But you've got overall market conditions just continuing to push things down. And I think we're going to be here for a little bit. We've got to get some good news and sustain a bull run to move this back. There are some indicators talking about, if you want to look for indicators, if Bitcoin crosses below $42,000, that is a sign that it will probably continue dropping, just FYI. And Ethereum, kind of similar, if it crosses below, say, about the 3,400 range, could be a situation where we start to see Ethereum start to drop down even lower. Okay, so watch those two to kind of see what is going on. But right here, right now, overall conditions not particularly good, and that's where we're at in the overall crypto market. So again, by the way, if you have any dry powder, any dry cash on the side, looking at maybe there are some opportunities. I would probably give it another day or two. Not investing advice. Do what's right for you, because I think we might continue to see some down trending. Okay. So with that said, take it easy. Go make some money. Bye.